Bullish Axie limitlessness cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $31.01 and $58.58 by 2030. Market examiners accept Axie could reach $24.12 by 2025. Bearish Axie endlessness market cost expectation for 2023 is $5.51. Axie endlessness presentation. Axie boundlessness is a computerized pet local area that joins the best of blockchain innovation with customary gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure genuine prizes. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. In any case, what makes Axie vastness novel is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to possess their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axie. These Axies can be exchanged, reproduced, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie endlessness? Axie boundlessness is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be collected from parts. The game elements a broad thing shop where players can utilize the in-game money, to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with ongoing interaction. There is likewise a milestones mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thusly based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neurotransmitter Games, and has since seen a consistent expansion in notoriety. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide, journey framework. And that's only the tip of the iceberg. From that point forward, the game has kept on including new satisfied and includes an ordinary premise. In the event that you're searching for a tomfoolery and compelling pet reenactment game with a lot of profundity and replay esteem, make certain to look at Axie boundlessness. Axie limitlessness key examination. The group behind Axie vastness is exceptionally capable and has a demonstrated history in the gaming business. The game has been live for more than 2 years and has an enormous local area of dynamic clients. Axie vastness is one of the most famous games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top dApps by day-to-day dynamic clients. The game areas of strength for has, with a very much planned economy and various ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 particular body parts accessible for these Axies, including amphibian, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any mix of body parts, making them truly inconsistent and regularly phenomenal and extraordinary. Parts from each kind class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, intriguing, very interesting, and amazing. Each Axie may just variety a sum of multiple times to deal with the quantity of Axies, dissimilar to a few other blockchain-based battling and rearing games. Proprietors of Axie tokens can before long stake their tokens to get reliable payouts. Holders of Axie will likewise have to cast a ballot and play to accept their prizes, rather than specific other stakeable resources. Axie boundlessness shards. Axie limitlessness shards, the biological system's own administration token, are another part. These are utilized to participate in huge administration choices and will give holders a say in how cash from the Axie People Group depository is used. Non-fungible token. Each Axie is a non-fungible token with exceptional characteristics and capacities that can be utilized in 3v3 battle. The triumphant side acquires insight focuses, which are then applied to stepping up in Axie's details or developing its substantial parts. These Axies can be crossed to make new, unique posterity that can be used or traded on the Axie market. Axie and SLP. Both Axie and SLP are Ethereum network tradable ERC20 token. The Axie endlessness environment utilizes 2 essential tokens, smooth love mixtures and Axie limitlessness shards. As the local administration badge of the stage, Axie holders partake in Axie's decentralized association and can impact how the stage creates. For instance, by deciding how the environment asset ought to be appropriated or how depository cash ought to be utilized. Then again, SLP is acquired through gameplay and might be applied to the reproducing of youthful Axies. Administration. The decentralized administration model of Axie limitlessness is expected to permit Axie partner cooperation in some stage improvement decisions. Axie vastness current cost. Axie vastness is at present worth $6.89 USD. Axie has moved 0.49% as of now with an exchanging volume of $44,142,217. Axie vastness is at present positioned 57 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $799,974,332 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Axie limitlessness to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Axie boundlessness market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Axie Vastness Value Forecast 2023. Axie limitlessness, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Axie cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $10.34. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $9.65 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Axie is supposed to have a base worth of $8.27. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Axie Endlessness Axie cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axie will before long outperform $17.23. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Axie's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Axie will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $13.78 and a typical exchanging cost of $15.16. Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $24.12 and Axie might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $22.05 and a low of $20.68 in 2025. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Axie Endlessness effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2026. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $31.01, with a base cost of $27.57 and a typical cost of $28.95. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Axie cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $35.84 by 2027, with a base cost of $34.46 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Axie has a greatest value worth of $37.91. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $42.73. In the event that Axie figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $44.80. Neglecting to assemble the help Axie needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $41.35. Axie Boundlessness Value Forecast 2029. While Axie is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed.